Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Upstart's loan calculator to plan your payments in 2025. So before applying, you want to use Upstart's loan calculator to estimate your monthly payments, and here's how to do that. So the first step is to access the loan calculator. All you got to do is just go to Upstart's website and navigate to the loan calculator tool. So that's www.upstart.com, and once you're logged into your account, you're going to access the loan calculator tool. Next, you want to impute loan details. So loan amount, enter how much you plan to borrow, and the loan term, choose between 3 to 5 years repayment term, and the estimated credit score. This helps to estimate your interest rate. Third is to review estimated monthly payments. So the calculator shows you estimated monthly payments, total interest paid over the loan term, as well as the estimated origination fees, which you can review quite clearly. And fourth will be to adjust loan amounts or terms if needed. So lowering the amounts can reduce your monthly payments. Also, choosing a longer term, that's a 5 years term, it's going to lower payments monthly, but of course it's going to increase the total interest that's paid over the entire loan. Fifth and final step, you can use calculator before finalizing your loan. So helps ensure the loan is affordable based on your budget. So using the calculator is incredibly useful towards the loan. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.